Okay, we're at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to linear equations, and we're going to be looking at something 5.1. 5.1. Alright, so we have 5 minus 2x minus 1, and that's all over 4, is equal to x plus 2, and that's over 3. Right. So we need to get rid of this 4 and this 3, and of course the way we're going to do that is we are going to multiply, looks like each one of these terms by 12. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. Okay, so we're going to multiply 12 times all this, we'll put that in parentheses, and 12. Okay, so we have 12 times 5 is 60, minus, now 4 goes into 12 3 times, 2x minus 1, 3 goes into 12 4 times, and then we have x plus 2. Okay. Alright, just making sure everything's good on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean this up. So we have 3 times 2 is 6x. We have a negative and or I should say minus and minus here. We distribute that across. That's going to be, let's see, we already did that, plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8. Okay, so let's take a look at, collect up our like terms. We have 60 plus 3, that's 63, minus 6x is equal to, and I guess there's not much we can do over here on the right hand side. Now what we'll do is go ahead and take the 6x over to the right, and then we'll bring that 8 over to the left. Right. So now we have 10x, and let's see, 63 minus 8, 55. Alright, and then of course we'll multiply both sides by 1/10, and we should get x is equal to 55 over 10, and of course that's going to reduce down to 11 halves. 11 halves, right? So we could say our solution set contains 11 halves. Of course, we want to always go back and check our work and plug 11 halves in and make sure that left is equal to the right hand side. Okay. Alright, we'll have a problem coming up here where we actually get down to this point, but when we go to plug it back in, we find out that that number is actually not in the domain of the function. I know we haven't talked about what a domain is up to this point, but I'm just saying. Alright, so we're over here at gotomath.com. We're chipping away at it a little bit at a time, and I'll see you in the next problem.